But Peter's gonna hide the evidence. By the way, his chick does not know anything about these wheels at the moment. So he's gonna hide. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a big announcement to make. Well, actually Peter has a big announcement to make. You can probably see it in the background right now. We're super hyped for this day, guys. Freaking Peter over here making miracles for you guys, you know what I'm saying?
Go get my dog.
This guy's looking at his dog over here. But yeah, guys, we're back in the building. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit up the notification bell so you'll never miss another video. Over here, Peter. Dude, tell them what you did, bro.
Well, remember the old video that we were gonna do after 1,000 subscribers? We were gonna do something crazy.
Yeah.
New year, new us. You can see in the back, we got my new rims.
Dude.
I'm gonna get killed, but anything for the boys, you know.
Oh
for
my
the
god.
vlog.
Yeah. Stan's game right here. Look at this, boys. As you know, Peter has a strict life, and doing this is like a big sin, you know. So yeah, actually this can be a quick video because we gotta rush and hide these wheels, or the sugar mama comes here and destroys Peter, and you're gonna see Peter in a casket. Probably on that pallet right there. We gotta get rid of the evidence, so let's show you guys what we got. Damn, dude. He showed me a video because he came and picked them up. Like, even though they're not like 3-piece wheels and whatever, you know, but it's a great starter wheel. Because sooner or later he's gonna decide to go wide body. And this way he's gonna have an idea of how much wider he needs to get.
First the wheel to 235, 40.
But it has a nice damn stretch to it, guys. If you guys can probably see it from here. It looks so fucking good. Damn.
Ready?
You guys ready? What? O2s?
D7.
Ooh, damn. Dude, that thing is massive, bro. Oh my gosh. That thing was super beautiful. What? Super steel Federals? Are those Federals? Damn. Oh my god, guys. Comment down below.
Tell me what you guys think.
Yeah, tell us what you guys think, man. These wheels, guys, are so legit. He actually got them. It wasn't a deal, huh?
Yeah, package.
Yeah, so it came with the tires and the rim.
DS07.
DS07s. It's adohans. However you say it. I don't know how you guys say it. Adohans. Adohans. Yeah. And I think black just looks so damn good on his car. Just because his car is like, what kind of, like a volcano red or something like that?
Kind of like that.
Yeah, it's like a nice dark reddish with black, like has black trimming everywhere. So I think these wheels will stand out with the gold. He also got the lug nuts, gold lug nuts. So you know, guys, look at that dish. There's a what, like a 3-inch dish?
At least.
Yeah, it's a good fucking dish, bro. And if you guys didn't know, his EVO 10 is bagged. It hasn't been on the channel in a while. He just never brings it out. But yeah, he has a EVO 10. If you guys new to the channel, it's bagged. We bagged it last year, and it only went out to like one car meet. He sold his wheels to Trevor, so the Subaru has his wheels, and he got these wheels. They're 18 by 10.5 with the 15 offset. We're gonna try to fit these wheels no matter what. I mean, guys, I think it's gonna be like right there, you know. After we freaking pull and roll your fenders, we're gonna have to do something because his other wheels, they tuck pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
And they were the same wheel size, but with the 22
Different.
offset.
22, yeah.
Yeah, so these are 15 offset, so it shouldn't be a big difference, but they're gonna be sticking out a little bit more, which probably requires some roll.
And just clearing the Brembos.
Yeah, just clean the Brembos. I'm pretty sure they're clear, bro. Man, these things are beautiful. Even the tire looks nice, bro. Look at that. If you were to see it from riding from the back, bro, they're gonna look so sick. Flacco's gonna be wet over these, bro. Huh? I know. I'm jealous, bro. You got all of the wheels? Your wife? No. We're clear. We're kind of scared, guys, because even I'm scared for him, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, you even got the sticker?
Yeah.
Kind of backwards look.
Oh, shit.
Damn.
There we go.
Are you scared, Peter?
Scared for my life.
Scared for your life? What was your first thoughts when they called you about this?
Shit, I have to turn the cameras on. Now or never.
This guy was having a heart attack earlier, bro. He was dying. You know he committed a crime when he feels like that. Did you go on debt for these guys?
Nah. Just 2-year debt.
2-year debt? You went a 2-year debt for just you guys, bro. That's a big commitment right there. You know, like I said, guys, 2,000 subscribers. I'll buy airbags on the spot. But it has to be this month, though. So make sure you hit the subscribe button or the deal's off. You know what I'm saying? It's how bad you guys want it. Obviously I want it, but it's how bad you guys want it. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it, boys. So what are you going to do, Peter? What is your plan here now?
Plan? I don't even know. Hopefully put them on.
What do you think is your chicks going to say?
You motherfucker.
What did you buy? Damn. How do you get rid of the pallet?
That's why you have a fire pit.
Let's look at these wheels, man. I can't stop looking at them, bro. They're gonna look hella nice when your shit slammed, bro.
What's the plan?
Damn, bro. Just a shine on these things. Damn, Peter. Te pasaste de verga, güey.
Just for the views.
You probably get divorced, bro. Alright, guys, this is the Peter's EVO, all tarped up in the back, dude. This thing, I haven't seen this car in a long time, bro.
I know.
It looks freaking nice. Look at these are the stalkers right here. He has little stalker wheels on it. Guys, tell me those wheels aren't gonna look good in this car. I had to show you how his car looks so you guys can see what the wheels are gonna look like in this car. Oh my god, I forget how this looks. But Peter's gonna hide the evidence. By the way, his chick does not know anything about these wheels at the moment, so he's gonna hide. He's gonna hide. Freaking Russian, bro. But look at little quick glance right here. Ooh, damn, bro, that gold. You're gonna need more gold stuff on your car, bro. Damn. I got scared. I'm gonna freeze up if she shows up out of nowhere. Damn, that thing looks so cool. All right, guys, this is it right here, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know, man. Let's get it, boys. You. Hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. We're trying to do this as quick as possible because I don't want to get caught up in this either. And I'm trying to head out before his baby mama comes here. The crime. His palms are sweaty. He vomited on his mom's spaghetti.
What?
I'm nervous, bro. I'm nervous for this guy, bro. I'm telling you. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super quick, but we had to show you guys what we have for you guys in store for 2021. Stay tuned for the fitment video for this EVO 10. We're going to fit these wheels in there, and we're going to get this thing looking so nice, especially for this year, you know. So stay tuned for that. We're going to for sure bring you more videos of the EVO because we hardly even bring it in the videos.
It hardly goes out.
Yeah. So we're going to try to get you more videos, more pictures, and for sure more content. Stay tuned because our other boys, bro, they're going crazy this year. Yeah, you thought... Yeah, Trevor's probably the craziest one right now because he went all out on this airbag setup for a Subaru. But our boys are coming quick. Look at this. Proud of my boys, you know what I'm saying? We came a long way. Damn, bro. Alright, guys. Like that said, have a great weekend. Stay positive. Don't ever stop grinding. Work hard. And like that, boys. Oh shit, we gotta go! Oh shit! Got scared! Oh shit! I'm tired of getting this guy all scared up and stuff, but I'm scared too. But like that, guys, catch you guys in the next video. Peace!